Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. Guys, I'm sorry. There's a lot of editing to do for Alkaline's video, and I knocked out when I got home. So that'll take a while to come up, but it will come up. And I think it's worth watching because I made sure, sacrifice, and found a position for you all to get a good view. So I'm center stage. You guys will be able to see everything up front. And also, already uploaded one Ski OG's video, so you guys can take a look at that. But anyhow, I thought it'd be good to show you guys what the vibes was like outside the concert and in the concert right before Alkaline started. And yeah, you could take it from there and come to see what people's vibes and energy was like. They were really anxious about seeing Alkaline ASAP. They're tired of the DJ, and that's because they came to the dance early. Usually in Toronto, we don't go to dances early, we come later. So I think it's just a lot of people were tired of waiting for the artists for so long. But anyways, you guys could be the judge of vibes. But they had a good time and people had a good time. They were just very, very, very impatient, which was understandable. And to big up to the one person that I did see, big up yourself, and big up to everyone else. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy.
Them girls are wicked. Yo, you so that style now, you know me, I can't tie now. Come on, dear, be a friend. Everybody knows. They got gas time with the mama. While I check it out, brand new mother.
Did she grab her phone? I really hope she grabbed her phone, eh? Ariel, you have your phone? Yeah. We're not. Yeah, hurry up.
Careful. Anak setengah besar. Hello. All the ladies that know you look good, can you say hello? Yo, bro, don't fall in love with those girls. When you come to a party like this, you meet a nice girl, you buy her some blood clot drinks, maybe you might buy her food after the party. If you get some pum pum, be happy, move on with your fucking life. Them girls are wicked. Yo, you so that style now, you know me, I can't tie now. Come on, dear, be a friend. Everybody knows. They got gas time with the mama. While I check it out, brand new mother. So that style now, you know me, I can't tie now. Come on, dear, be a friend. Everybody knows. They got gas time with the mama. While I check it out, brand new mother.
But at the same time, just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same card. I end up in some problems, but I don't cheat, me I cheat just to get by. I would have played me because me never played you. A few people are ring my phone line. I'm not ask when me I play two sides at the same time. Good baby got me outside. See two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Play two sides at the same coin. I end up in some problems, but I don't cheat, me I cheat just to get by. And if we give it up and
walk up the stairs. Not from the stairs. I am not the judge, you are the judge.
And if you hear this on the go to the back, go to the knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Whoa, shake it to the max.
Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Somebody that said, if you want her to stay, say yes. If you want her to go.
Is that? And if you hear this on the go to the back, go to the knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out.
Yo. Don't buy these girls no bottles, you know. If you buy them a bottle.
Big body, what's up?
All independent ladies, we have that. We have that.
Now fight no girl over, no man, me no idiot. If me a take no man, me a keep that. Them up with me in the street and pop and leave back over the machine that. If a girl touch me, me nah say me nah be that. But if me a take no man, me a keep that. She have to see me in the street.
School face to gym and only get shut out. See them all a full contacts in them and fight. They look for some dog and now no one better. You can't check the cow.
Oh, you know, it's all about you, but how you want to sit down right there? Ready? All right. Okay. Just like that. Move it. Okay. September. Flashy. Sample King in the building. Big up yourself. Sample King, my brother. Big up. Look out for that. Flashy. All right, turn on.